Pydantic AI's agent framework employs a capability-based architecture to extend core functionality through composable modules like Thinking and WebSearch. This design pattern allows developers to augment an agent's behavior by injecting specialized capabilities during initialization, enabling features such as model reasoning and web search without modifying the base agent class. We're about to examine how these capabilities are integrated into an agent instance, configured with specific instructions and a language model to handle a real-world query about meteorite data. The code will demonstrate the synchronous execution flow and output structure that Pydantic AI provides for agent interactions.
From Pydantic AI Import Agent. From Pydantic AI, capabilities import thinking, web search. Agent equals agent. Anthropic, Claude Sonnet 4.6. Instructions equals be concise, reply with one sentence. Capabilities equals thinking, web search. Result equals agent. Run synchwhat was the mass of the largest meteorite found this year. Print result, output. The largest meteorite recovered this year weighed approximately 7.6 kg, found in the Sahara Desert in January.
This example demonstrates how Pydantic AI's agent capabilities system enables modular extension of agent functionality. The agent class serves as the core container for LLM interactions, while capabilities like Thinking and Web Search provide reusable bundles of tools, instructions, and model settings. The Thinking capability enhances the agent's reasoning abilities by configuring the model's effort level, while Web Search adds internet search functionality that adapts to the provider's native support or falls back to DuckDuckGo. These capabilities are passed as a list to the agent constructor, showing how Pydantic AI's composable architecture allows stacking multiple functionalities without tight coupling. This pattern is particularly valuable for production systems where agents need to handle diverse tasks. The capability-based approach promotes code reuse and maintainable agent configurations, though it does add some overhead compared to directly implementing tools. The synchronous run sync method provides a simple interface for basic use cases, while still maintaining access to the full run result, object containing metadata like usage statistics. Let's break it down.
From Pydantic AI Import Agent.
Imports the agent class from the Pydantic AI module, which is the primary interface for building AI agents in the Pydantic AI framework. This class enables creating agents that can interact with language models, supporting features like instructions, tools, and structured outputs.
From Pydantic AI, capabilities import thinking, web search.
Imports the Thinking and Web Search capabilities from the Pydantic AI Capabilities module, which provide built-in functionality for model reasoning and web search operations, respectively.
Agent equals agent.
Creates an instance of the agent class from Pydantic AI and assigns it to the variable agent. This line initializes a new AI agent that can interact with language models, though no specific configuration parameters are visible in this segment. The agent will serve as the primary interface for defining instructions, tools, and capabilities for LLM interactions.
Anthropic, Claude Sonnet 4.6.
Specifies the model identifier Anthropic, Claude Sonnet 4.6 as a string literal, likely for use in configuring an AI agent's model selection. This appears to be a model reference from Anthropic's Claude series, version Sonnet 4.6, formatted with a provider prefix.
Instructions equals be concise, reply with one sentence.
Sets a concise instruction string for the agent, limiting responses to one sentence.
Capabilities equals thinking, web search.
assigns a list of 2 capability instances to the capabilities parameter. The capabilities include thinking for model reasoning and WebSearch for web search functionality. These capabilities will be used by the agent to enhance its behavior during execution.
Result equals agent. Run sync what was the mass of the largest meteorite found this year.
Calls the agent's synchronous run method with the question, what was the mass of the largest meteorite found this year, as input. This executes the agent's configured workflow synchronously and returns a run result containing the completed response. The method blocks until the agent finishes processing the query and generating an output.
Print result, output.
Prints the output attribute of the result object to the console. The output contains the final value returned from running an agent, which could be plain text, structured data, or the result of a function call. This line displays the agent's response after execution completes. Pydantic AI's capability-based architecture shines here by letting you compose agent behavior from reusable modules. The agent class acts as the core container, while thinking and WebSearch capabilities inject specialized functionality without modifying the base class. This design promotes clean separation of concerns. The agent handles core LLM interactions, while capabilities provide domain-specific enhancements like reasoning and web search. The synchronous run sync method provides a straightforward interface for basic use cases, though the full run result object remains available for more complex scenarios. The trade-off is clear. You get maintainable, composable agent configurations at the cost of some overhead compared to direct tool implementation. This pattern becomes particularly valuable in production systems where agents need to handle diverse tasks while keeping code reusable and maintainable.
The agent queries the meteorite's mass, but the answer dissolves into the output stream like a forgotten dream.